Hi Mare, it's me, Chen. Today I am going to show you how I computed the grade of the student. So first we have to get the total score. So in order to get the total score, we have to use the formula equivalent sign, sum, and then open parentheses, then drag from here up to here, and then close parentheses, and then click enter. Then there you have it. So the next thing we are going to do is that we are going to drag it down, and there you go. We all have the total score of the 10 students. Next is we are going to let's proceed to the total score for the performance task. We are going to do the same thing, equivalent sign, sum, open parentheses, then click here up to here, and then close parentheses, then click enter. Then there you go, we have the total score. Then drag. There you have it, we have the total score of the 10 students. And next we are going to compute the performance score of the student in written works. So in order to get the performance score, we are going to use the formula, this one, and the total score of the student divided by the total score of the written works, multiplied by 100. Then we are going to get a 100. And then I forgot to tell you, we have in order to lock the total score of the in order to lock the total score, we have to put a dollar sign in between the G and the 4, and then press enter, and then click here, and then drag again. And there you go, we have the performance score. Next we are going to find the weighted score of the student. So to find the weighted score, we are going to use this formula. We are going to click the performance score multiplied by 0.4, since it is only 40%. Then click enter. Then there we have it, and then click that and drag down, and there you go, we have the weighted score. Okay, let's proceed to the performance task. So here, performance score, same thing that we did earlier here, and then we are going to divide the total score of the student to the total score of the performance task, and then multiplied by 100, and there you go. Again, let's put a dollar sign in between here so that the total score will be locked. Press enter, then drag down. There you have it. Next, we are going to compute for the weighted score. Same thing that we did earlier. So we are going to use the formula. We're going to use the formula, this one, and the performance score multiplied by 0.4. There you go, and then drag it down. Okay, and then next one, so since isa lang naman siya, so we're going to proceed with this one. Then same thing that we did, number sign, this one, divided by the total number and multiplied by 100. Okay, don't forget to put a dollar sign so that the total score will be locked. Okay, and then let's drag this down. There you go. And for the weighted score, still the same. The performance score multiplied by, so in quarterly we have 20%, so we are going to put 0.2, Then there you go. And click that and drag it down. All done. So next is we are going to get their initial grade. So to get the initial grade, we are going to add all the weighted score of the student. So let's proceed with the formula. Let's proceed with the formula, sum, and then open parenthesis and click the weighted score. This one, and also this one, and then close parenthesis, then enter, and then drag it down. And there you have it. And we're almost done. We are now in a quarter grade. To write the quarter grade of the student, we are going to refer to the transmutation table of Deped Order 8, Section 2015. So the initial grade of the first student is 96.6. So it is located 96.62. 96.62. It is located here. So the grade of the student is 97. Let's put it 97. Next, 89.31. 89.31. It's in here. 89.31. 93. And then next we have 88.40. Let's check. 88.40 is here. So the student got 93. The next 51.97. 51.97. So it is here. So it is 72. Next we have 71.0. 71.07. 71.07. 71.07. So it is located here. It is 81. Next we have 83.30. 83.30. We have here 89. Next we have 32.82. 32.82. 32.68. Next, you have 71.59. 71.59. You have your 82. And next, we have 78.31. 78.31. We have 86. And next, we have 64.23. 64.23. 64.23. 23. Here you go, 77. And we're all done.